Hello friends, welcome to our channel Anant Infinite Knowledge. Today's our word root is algo, which means pain. Our first word is neuralgia, which means pain caused by a nerve. For example, neuralgia is a form of chronic nerve pain that is hard for doctor to understand and diagnose. Remember this word by relating this picture of person suffering from sciatica. Our next word is analgesic, which means a drug that makes one pain free. For example, quinine has some analgesic power. Remember this word by relating this picture of pain relief tablets. Our next word is nostalgia, which means thoughts about happy times in your past, often mixed with the wish to be back in the past. For example, he was overcome with acute nostalgia for his day at the university. Remember this word by relating this picture here. The girl felt nostalgia when she looked at the picture of her mom who had passed away. Our next word root is ante, which means before, in front. Our next word is antecede, which means come before, something in time, order, opposition, precede. For example, summer antecede spring. Primitive tools antecede modern machinery. Remember this word by relating this picture here. Grandmother antecedes granddaughter. Our next word is antemeridian, which means before noon. For example, the antemeridian brunch was held before noon so that more people could attend. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, the period between midnight to midday is called antemeridian. Our next word is anteroom, which means a small room before the main room. For example, the principal makes the student wait in his anteroom before he calls them into his office. Remember this word by relating this picture here, a small room just before the main room. Our next word root is antho, which means flower. Our next word is anthology, which means a collection of treasured writing, a book containing poems, stories, or songs written by different people. For example, someone who produces an anthology is called anthologist. Remember this word by relating this picture of a collection of treasured writing. Our next word is anthozoon, which means a member of a large class of a marine coelentrates such as a sea anemone or coral. For example, diagrammatic longitudinal section of an anthozoon zooid. Remember this word by relating this picture here. Anthozoon present in ocean. Our next word is nyctanthus, which means of plants flowering at night. For example, jasmine is a nyctanthus flower. Remember this word by relating this picture. Here, plants are flowering at night. Our next word is anthecology, which means the study of pollination as well as the relationship between the flowers and their pollinators. For example, specific plant insect interaction were further documented with an emphasis on tropical anthecology, comparative anthecology, and co-evaluation. Remember this word by relating this picture here, pollination by insects.